1. Become a writer. With a developing revenue in content showcasing, more brands are searching for incredible scholars to make content. The key to prevailing as an author is to be a specialist in a specialty. A great deal of scholars attempt to be generalists, composing for a wide scope of classifications, from food to tech. Be that as it may, having a specialty center as an essayist permits you to compose better substance. At the point when you have insight in the specialty, you can add an alternate point of view to a piece of substance. That implies you're not trying to say exactly the same thing as each and every other article on the web. What's more, that is the thing that brands truly need to pay for: your contemplations, encounters, and inside data into their specialty. On the off chance that somebody requests a showcasing composing test, send them advertising composing tests. Try not to send a money article. Or on the other hand, a wellness one. It's hard for an employing administrator to realize how well you comprehend the specialty's business on the off chance that they can't see an applicable composing test. Apply to promising circumstances fit to your abilities and experience. Likewise, if your pitch doesn't have a rundown of connections to composing tests, it will get disregarded. You can make money online on sites like these: *ProBlogger, *Craigslist, *Blogging Pro, *Freelance Writing, *Media Bistro, *FlexJobs, *Be a Freelance Blogger. 2. Make side gigs. Side gigs can help you bring in cash on the web while you keep your regular work. In case you're hoping to make $200 or $300 each month, this is a good thought. The work doesn't in every case keep going long haul, however it can. Use stages like Fiverr to make gigs. At the point when you're new to Fiverr, you'll need to zero in on offering a low cost so you could get your first survey. I'd prescribe getting a companion to purchase your gig to leave your first audit so you can begin quicker. Deal with the companion like a customer and really convey a completed item that you can highlight on the stage on your portfolio. The thing with Fiverr is that it's likewise a numbers game. In the event that you take a gander at top Fiverr clients, you'll see that they have different gigs accessible. The more gigs you have, the almost certain you are to be found. On the off chance that you would prefer not to get addressed Fiverr costs, you can go to stages like FlexJobs to discover side gigs. Under their position segment, you can look for contract or work from home freedoms. The incredible thing about the work from home freedoms on FlexJobs is that you can apply for them in any city on the planet. FlexJobs has an assortment of side gigs from composing, business, plan, bookkeeping, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. So if your gifts don't coordinate with whatever else on this rundown of lucrative thoughts, you should attempt a side gig from FlexJobs, and begin bringing in cash on the web. Apply to various freedoms to land a couple of little side gigs. 3. Accomplish translation work. On the off chance that you need to bring in cash now, interpretation work is a reasonably underserved specialty. You should be familiar with in any event 2 dialects to do this effectively. So in case you're bilingual or studied a well-known language in school, this might be an extraordinary lucrative thought for you to test. You should show verification of your capacity to interpret. On the off chance that you have a language degree or experience making an interpretation of text, make a point to show tests of your portfolio. Most organizations will require an interpretation test. Remember that you should be familiar with the dialects you're applying to be an interpreter for. So you can't utilize interpretation devices. Sites where you can make money online include Upwork, People Per Hour, SDL, Gango, Pro Translating, Translators Base. 4. Sell your stuff. At the point when you're urgent to bring in cash now and then, the lone alternative is to sell your stuff. In case you're jobless and battling to get a new line of work, selling your assets is an extraordinary method to bring in cash quick. You can bring in cash internet utilizing the connections underneath, or you can make a beeline for a pawn shop. Remember the delivery costs related with selling on the web. Make certain to charge the purchaser for it in case you're transporting items universally. A great many people promptly consider selling their garbage like books, DVDs, and CDs. Yet, a great many people would prefer not to purchase those things. It's 2021. Would you say you are truly going to purchase a CD? Presumably not. So don't burn through your time attempting to sell it. At the point when you're contemplating how to bring in cash quick, center around things of significant worth like PCs, TVs, telephones, furniture, originator totes, or attire. Give selling similar things a shot numerous stages. For instance, you may have a go at selling your item in Facebook gatherings and Instagram rather than only one of them. In the event that you sell your stuff all over, there's a possibility of somebody discovering it. Make certain to take astounding photographs and alter them. An online retailer doesn't transfer pictures with no guarantees. They recruit a photographic artist to take incredible photographs. Pictures are improved. The foundation is frequently eliminated. Approach your item post like an online retailer. Try not to take pictures of items on tables. In the event that an item is on a table, eliminate the foundation to make it white. On the off chance that you don't possess very good quality photography hardware, you can consider taking this item photography online course to figure out how to take dazzling item photographs without the extravagant stuff. After you've sorted out stuff to sell on the web, start your own online store utilizing Shopify. You've demonstrated that you have the stuff to be an online retailer. Along these lines, presently you can begin bringing in cash from home. 5. Become a virtual assistant. With so many entrepreneurs building businesses, the demand for virtual assistants is increasing almost daily. As a virtual assistant, you'll do a variety of tasks. Writing, order processing, bookkeeping, social media, and customer support are just a few of the tasks you might be asked to do as a virtual assistant. You can earn money online on websites like Virtual Assistant Jobs, Indeed, or Upwork. Many virtual assistants have also found ways to make money online by reaching out to brands and entrepreneurs, asking if they're interested in hiring a virtual assistant. Using a combination of job posting applications and outreach, you'll be more likely to make money fast. Build an active social media presence on Twitter and LinkedIn to help you find new clients. 6. Sell your photography. The most effective method to bring in cash with photography. Whether you're an expert photographic artist or simply love snapping extraordinary pictures, you can adapt your photography severally. You can bring in cash quick by posting your photography administrations in neighborhood Facebook bunches for your local area. In case you're searching for more openness, you can utilize a site like Burst. Nonetheless, in case you're hoping to adapt your telephone photography rapidly, you can utilize FOP. Learn more item photography tips to help you begin bringing in cash with photography. 7. Sell your clothes online. You probably have garments you haven't worn in the previous year. What's more, you don't have the goal of wearing them until Kingdom Come. As opposed to allowing them to occupy room in your wardrobe, why not bring in cash off of them? Regardless of whether you sell your garments, purses, or shoes, there are many sites that permit you to sell your pre-owned design things. Poshmark, Refashioner, The RealReal, ThreadUp, and Tradesy are a couple of the online destinations where you can sell your pre-owned attire. You could bring in cash online by selling on a few distinct stages. In case you're hoping to sell things face-to-face, you can utilize Facebook Purchase and offer gatherings locally to discover individuals on the web and sell the things face-to-face. I've actually sold in these gatherings previously and realized they work. 8. Sell domains. If you regularly buy domain names but fail to use them, you can always try to sell them for a profit. Selling domains is ultra-competitive, though. If you own a oneword.com domain, you'll have a better chance of selling. Words that have high search volume sell well too. Also, domains that are on trend at that moment have a better chance of selling. For example, a year ago, fidget spinner domains were an easier sell than they are now. You can search for available domain names and buy a custom domain through the Shopify domain registration platform. You can sell your domains on GoDaddy's domain auction. Look through the domains with the highest bids to see what type of domains sell well. It'll help you know whether or not your domains are worth selling and how much money you can make selling them. 9. Sell your designs online. Visual depiction is an astonishing expertise that you can adapt severally. You can go the print on request course and sell your plans on your own custom items. Then again, you can pitch your plans on a publicly support stage like 99 Designs. You can make your own illustrations, formats, and that's just the beginning, and sell them on commercial centers like Graphic River, Redbubble, Etsy, Merch by Amazon, Teespring, or Creative Market. Or then again, you can get a few customers and work as an independent visual craftsman. 10. Become a TikTok consultant. One of the trendiest, better approaches to bring in cash online is to turn into a TikTok advisor. Brands will get in touch with you for conceptualizing video thoughts, creating drawing and profiles, and that's just the beginning. It's the ideal lucrative chance for computerized migrants. You can maintain the whole business from your cell phone. Contrasted with Instagram, TikTok is generally new and undiscovered, so assisting brands with developing brand mindfulness on the application may turn fortunes. Be that as it may, you need to have a couple of gifts before you start offering TikTok consultancy to organizations. The most significant is realizing how to make viral recordings that get individuals to draw in with brands. On the off chance that you don't have the mastery in this stage, you can in any case figure out how to make executioner contact by taking this TikTok course.